WHO completes an investigation in China to find out COVID-19 origin. Saudi Crown Prince announces to reform the kingdom's existing judicial system. US Senate to begin second impeachment trial of Trump today. In Morocco, at least 28 people have died after heavy rainfall flooded an illegal underground textile workshop at a private house in the city of Tangiers. China providing 10 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine to the WHO-led COVAX program. In another illegal move, the Indian Parliament has passed the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2021 to extend full applicability of the Indian Constitution over illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In Afghanistan, 4 government officials were killed when unknown armed men fired bullets on their car in the capital Kabul. President Dr. Arif Alvi has said that Pakistan is establishing border market with Iran and Afghanistan to facilitate small and medium enterprise in the country.